How's it going, guys? Another quick video, just printing some stuff. I got a new roll of filament and I'm printing my battery holders that I've been selling. They've actually had a slow last couple of days. I'm thinking maybe because of the, everyone being in quarantine, there's been less house construction too. So these are battery holders for power tools, and I'm guessing that since there's less construction, the construction companies are just buying less. So yeah, it's working on it right now. I'm also thinking about trying to print some, this right here is ABS filament, and this is PLA. PLA is more brittle. ABS just has some toxic fumes and stuff. So I'm going to try to use this tomorrow to print some face masks and see if I can sell those. But yeah, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like, and I'll make a video update tomorrow about how printing those face masks go. I'm looking forward to figuring that out, so hopefully you're curious too. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.